Alrighty guys, we're headed out for another ride today. Super wide on the GoPro today. We're gonna see if it's gives us a better angle. And let's go. Learning how to shift, that'll be nice. You know, that's something that's really great about the Grom is because, you know, first gear idles at like 7. So like we're going basically walking speed, and because of how light and nimble it is, we can, you know, take advantage of maybe some little paths and trails that bigger bikes per se wouldn't be able to. You know, as long as we're respectful and we don't, you know, cause any undue hardship on other people, respectful to the land, I don't see an issue with it. Obviously make sure the, you know, the 5-0, the police aren't, you know, aren't watching, but harmless fun. We're gonna go up here towards the airport a little bit. I don't have much longer to be out. My brother's coming over. We're gonna wrap his bike finally, so that's good. And then I'm assuming later next week or this week maybe we'll go get his bike, and then soon I'll be getting my bike as well, so I won't just be on the Grom. As fun as it is, I'll have my new bike as well, and we can start doing some more content on that. So they're expanding the rail system here in Ottawa. So So right now I'm just beside one of their new expansions. I don't know if it's open yet, but I've seen them do some test runs on the track. So yeah. So as you can see over there, that's the airport. Well, that's pretty cool. We'll head back and then, yeah. Not much to see really here. Would have been cool to see a plane coming in, watch one land, but I guess it's Good Friday, I guess maybe low air traffic. The train is running, but I'm not seeing any people on it. Oh, that's cool. These new trains are pretty nice. He's taking pictures of the train. That's cool. It is pretty slippery though. Getting in this groove. There's a path there, but it goes into the woods and I know it gets pretty narrow, so I think my bars are too wide to go through there. I've been through there once on the bicycle. That's cool. Oh, she's zooming. First bit of adventuring captured. So I think that'll be it for today, and we'll head back and yeah, alrighty.